ahead.
Okay, thank you everyone. Now is the second series for the HDMI cable. We have a lot of HDMI cables, but now I introduce the most special HDMI cables for you. Please see that. We use the inkjet model inside with the TP inside. So it looks like we can change any color you want, customize that. The model inside we can prevent from the EMI text. It looks beautiful now, as we can also customize the length up to 200 meters if you want. We can change any. Also, you can see that the 4K we can customize 8K or 4K you want. Okay, that's all of the inkjet models HDMI cables. If you want to read more information, you can check our website www.xdkgroup.com. Thank you everyone.